I have arrived in Arizona. I am so tickled. So I have a really big week planned. I've been charging the drone batteries because I brought so many drones, right? We're going to go out and fly in the desert. I've got some really cool landscape that I want to take images of, maybe do some mapping so I could process it later. So I have a lot to share. Super excited. This week is going to be phenomenal. The thing that I like the most about this area is the beautiful landscape. You start off in the just rolling hills, brown scenery, and then you'll transition into beautiful mountain areas with rugged rocks and red clay hills, and it's just a beautiful area, and I love traversing around here.